Hi there. I am representing webtrackofficial.org. We provide all sorts of digital marketing solutions like web designing, social media integration, search engine optimization, graphic designing and logo designing. So if you want any services from us, contact us at support@webtrackofficial.org. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a professional business website with AI in under 5 minutes. First, let me show you the website that we will be creating. Odoo is a suite of open-source business apps that cover all your company needs like customer relationship management, e-commerce, accounting, inventory, point of sales, manufacturing, warehouse, project management and much more. Odoo's unique value proposition is to be at the same time very easy to use and fully integrated. The nicest part about this AI tool is that it's absolutely free. Yes, you heard it correctly. You can create one app for free, with unlimited users. So make sure to watch my video till the end and subscribe to my channel. To get started, click on Start Now button. As mentioned before, you can create one app for free, so choose any application you wish to create. I am gonna select the website. App is selected, click Continue. Now enter your personal information here. The website's name can be changed later, so don't worry if you don't have one in mind. Once you have put in your details, check this box which says, I want to help improve the Odoo user experience, and click Start Now. Your website will be created in 4 easy steps, so let's do it right. You can choose any type of website from the list. I'll go with business website. Now write the business type. Now choose the objective for your business. You can either type or choose from the list. Now the next step is to choose your theme palette. I am gonna go with this one. Select pages that you want to include in the menu of your website. These are the necessary pages for every website, therefore I'll stick with them. Now click Build My Website. Now choose your theme. This one is fine. Now let Odoo do his job. Sit back and relax while your website is building. Congratulations, your business website is ready. We have a beautiful looking slider. A beautiful left sidebar menu. Account options. And a very impressive and professional layout. Perfect. This is the best AI tool I used so far. Now, with some adjustments, you can make it visible to the public. Before making any changes to the website, we need to verify our email address. Check your registered email for the verification email. This activates your website's database and allows you to easily save any changes. Click to activate the database. Here you need to create a password for your account. So let's create one. Once done, click Activate. Here, you can add your colleagues or your friends. I am going to skip it for now. And we're done. Now it's time to create a free logo. I am gonna use Canva. It's free as well. But if you want to know how you can create a free logo, you can check out my video in the cards above. And we're done with our logo. Let's save it as a transparent PNG. Now it's time to customize our website, so from the top right corner, click Edit. It will open the website builder for you. As you can see, exactly like in Elementor, these are all of the blocks or widgets that can be used. Simple drag and drop interface. Nothing technical here. You can watch my Elementor tutorial in the cards above. For example, if I hover over the logo, a boundary appears, indicating that it can be modified. Click the element to open up its respective settings. If you've used Elementor Page Builder before, Odoo will be easy to use. Now under Logo, you can see the option called Replace. Click Replace to upload your own logo. You can use their copyright-free photographs to design your website. Logo has been uploaded, but it's really small. There is an option to modify the height of the logo. Under the navigation bar settings from the right editor panel, adjust the height. Better. Now if I scroll, you can see the logo is small on sticky header. Underneath the height, there is scroll height. Adjust that setting as well. I am gonna add 80 there as well. Now if I scroll, it's perfect. Just like that, each and every element is editable. Click to edit the corresponding element. You can play around with these blocks to create a stunning and beautiful layout for your website. Drag and drop content on a page and watch your website come to life. Odoo allows you to create everything from landing pages and e-commerce storefronts to full-blown websites. Let me edit the footer as well. I've created another drag and drop builder video build on Google site. You can watch it from the cards above. Like I said earlier, you can change the website's name later. So to change it, from the toolbar above, click on Configurations, and click Settings. Here you can see the field to enter in the new website's name. So let's fill it in. Since I created logo by the name of Infinity Technology, I'll add the same name. Let's add the favicon as well. Favicon appears in the main tab of the browser. Perfect. Just click Save from the top left corner, and it's that simple. Now the current domain name is digital-marketing-agency9.odoo.com. It doesn't look professional at all. What if we can get a real domain and connect it to this website? Well, that's possible. And the best thing about Odoo is that they offer free domain for 1 year. Odoo got you covered. It's absolutely free. Let's get a domain now. From the above menu, under Configurations, click Domain Name. A confirmation prompt will appear which says that our team will review the request to prevent any potential abuse. Important note: to be eligible for a free domain, we need to make sure of 3 things. First, the home page should be clear and showcase our business. Second, contact information should be mentioned. And third, there should be at least 1 page of product or service information, if applicable. We added 4 pages earlier, so let's continue. Click My Website is Ready button. Now here, search a domain name that best suits your business. Damn, .com domain is not available. I am just creating the video for you guys, so that's okay. I am gonna select another domain. Once you have chosen your domain, you just have to fill in your contact details, and the domain will all be yours. Click Register. Best, our domain will get active in 3 days once the Odoo team review my site. So that was how you can create a free website using Odoo AI Builder. If this video helped you in any way, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you later, alligator.